Hi guys, and welcome to this super easy tutorial with this pillow without any zippers, and as you can see, it's some quite nice sturdy fabric. So basically I just made one long end, and then I'm just folding in this bit with paper, or well, not paper clips, with wonder clips. I've done like a serger seam all over on all the edges, and then I'm just going to stitch this in place. And I've made sure that the height of this piece of fabric is like the height of my pillow plus a couple of centimeters extra for seam allowance. And the length is, yeah, about 2.5 times or to 3 times the actual measurements of the pillow, like the width of the pillow. So you can see here I'm just measuring how wide my pillow is, and then I'm creating this overlap, which is really clever because then you don't have to worry about any zippers or any kind of other closures, because you create this envelope closure. So the edge that I just made a seam on is, so it looks nice and neat, is in the middle in the sandwich, and then the other edge is facing in towards the inside of the pillow. Then it's simply just about sewing it along the side, so sewing all those layers together, yeah, approximately 1 centimeter from the edge, so it fits in with the seam allowance that you've given it. And once that is done, you can take out the clips or the needles if that's what you're using, and just fold it out to front. Make sure you fold out the corners really neatly, really sharply, and then you put the pillow stuffing in, and you've got a nice pillow that's easy, yeah, to take off so you can wash it. And very simple, very nice, and such a cool trick. And if you are worried about how to make pillows and make them look nice, this is definitely a good way to do it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time on one of the other tutorials. Bye bye!